How to merge clips in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to merge the clips in CapCut, first of all launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure you have an updated version of the CapCut application. As you do that, simply what you need to do is tap on the option of new project that pops up in the home page of CapCut. So just wait for a while until it loads you to that particular page over here. So let's skip these ads for now over here. And here you can see the option of new project. So tap on it. And as you tap on new project, you'll be able to see all the videos and all the work that you have. So just tap on the new project option. And as you tap on new project, it will land you to your gallery option. So let's just start the process. Here you can just simply tap on any of the clip that you'd want to merge. You can select more than 2, more than 3 and so on. So I'm going to select 2 of these random ones and then tap on add at the bottom of the screen. As you do that, now here you can just start the process of merging. You can merge the 2 videos among wherever you would want and wherever you would like. You can add transitions, you can add effects and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.